Never miss a single touchdown, buzzer beater, or game-winning goal again today. We're unlocking the ultimate multi-game viewing experience with ESPN. Want to catch 2 games at once? Most modern devices and the ESPN app offer a fantastic split-screen or multi-view feature. Simply open the ESPN app, navigate to a game you want to watch, and look for a multi-view or change layout icon. Often represented by a grid or television icon, tapping this will allow you to select additional games to display simultaneously on your screen. On your browser or smart TV app, you might see a grid icon or a watch together option. Click on it and you'll be presented with a selection of live games you can typically choose up to 4 different streams at once, depending on your device's capabilities. But what about those games not on traditional ESPN channels? That's where ESPN Plus comes in. ESPN Plus is your gateway to an even wider selection of live sports. With an ESPN subscription, you gain access to exclusive games, a deeper library of content, and crucially, the ability to integrate these ESPN Plus games into your Multiview setup. To add an ESPN Plus game, when you're in the Multiview section, you'll usually see an option to browse or select from ESPN Plus. Simply click that, choose your desired ESPN game, and it will be added to your multi-screen layout alongside any other games you've selected. Once your games are loaded, you have incredible flexibility. You can often resize individual video windows by dragging their borders to give more prominence to the game you deem most critical. You can also usually control the audio for each stream individually, allowing you to mute certain games or amplify others. This is the power of ESPN's platform. Customizable, comprehensive sports viewing. So go ahead, tailor your perfect sports watching experience and make sure you never miss a single thrilling moment.